how to fix coverage expired on iPhone. So if you want to fix your coverage expired on iPhone, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down a bit, go with general, and then go with about. And under about, as you can see, that you will have coverage expired session. So if you tap on coverage expired, then as you can see that it says the coverage has been expired for this device. This means that your 1 year limited warranty of Apple has been expired. If you want to get more, then you can pay out from your pocket. You'll have Apple support. You can just simply go with the Apple support application and then get more coverage or more guarantee. Or you can use Apple app to get help. But if you don't want, you just have to ignore this because it's just for 1 year. And once it's been more than 1 year that you've purchased your device, your coverage has been expired. And iPhone will notify you. You just have to ignore that. It's not a big deal. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.